Most people think a $10,000 car is cheap, but over 5 years, it can cost almost twice that amount. Today, we're breaking down the real numbers behind car ownership. When people think about car expenses, they usually focus on fuel or repairs. But those are only part of the picture. The real cost of owning a car includes several hidden expenses that add up quietly over time. Let's go through them one by one. You pay $10,000 upfront. Sounds reasonable, but cars lose value every year. After 5 years, that same car is usually worth around $6,000 to $7,000. That's about $3,500 lost, even if the car runs perfectly. Depreciation is the first hidden cost most people ignore. Now let's talk about fuel. If you drive around 12,000 miles per year, with an average fuel economy of 28 miles per gallon, and fuel costs about $3.50 per gallon, fuel alone will cost you roughly $7,500 over 5 years. That's almost as much as the car itself. Next is insurance. For a used car like this, insurance averages around $900 per year. Over 5 years, that adds up to about $4,500. And that's assuming a clean driving record. Now maintenance. Oil changes, brakes, tires, batteries, plus unexpected repairs. Even a reliable used car will cost between $4,000 and $5,000 over 5 years. And this is where cheap cars often become expensive. Let's add everything up. $10,000 to buy the car, around $3,500 lost to depreciation, $7,500 for fuel, $4,500 for insurance, and about $4,000 to $5,000 for maintenance. That puts the real 5-year cost of owning a $10,000 car at roughly $19,000 to $20,000. That's why keep cars are rarely cheap in the long run. The purchase price is just the beginning. If you want real numbers behind cars, subscribe to Drive Metrics. New videos every week.